I'm Dan from Love the Drive, and most of you probably know that we make window deflectors for convertible cars. We make them for about 50 different convertibles. We've been making them since 2003. And we run a contest on our website, and we give away convertible top cleaning kits. And you'll notice you're like, hey, there's two of them, and you're right. And the reason I'm making this video is to make sure that everybody understands what kind of convertible top they have. You either have the vinyl top, or you have a fabric top. And the chemicals that are in them are similar for the cleaning part. So whether you get this one from Ragtop or Chemical Brothers or from 303 or any number of other brands that make convertible top cleaning solutions, is that the fabric ones have, in this case, an aerosol. And so the cleaning part is the same, but the protectant, the thing that keeps the water off, is actually different. And when you look at the fabric one, it's actually two liquids. So I will show you in a minute how to tell the difference between a convertible top that has a fabric top or a convertible top that has a vinyl top. And especially for anybody who's got a car, say 5 or 10 years old, you may have a different top on that came from the manufacturer. So the manufacturer might have had a vinyl top on and you changed it to a fabric top, or the other way around. It had a fabric top and somebody changed it to a fabric one. Sorry, it had a vinyl top, a fabric one, and they changed it to a vinyl one. So I will show you. It's really simple. What you're going to do is you're going to take about maybe a quarter size, maybe a little bit more of that, and pour water right on the top of your convertible top, and then you're going to swish your finger around in that quarter size, and if it basically goes into the top, it's a fabric top. If it doesn't, if it just beads on top after you go around 4 or 5 times, then it's vinyl top. There you go. So we run a contest for this convertible top cleaning kits. You should probably do it once a year, maybe more. Most people don't do it enough. So again, we give them away on our site. It's the top right-hand side. You'll see a contest, and you could enter, and we give 1 or 2 kits away every month. We don't sell your information or give it or use it for marketing or anything like that. It's just the good karma thing to clean your top. Maybe go off and tell somebody about window deflectors. What you're going to do to tell if you have a vinyl top or a fabric top is in the middle of your convertible top, you're going to pour the size of a quarter. This is probably double the size of a quarter. And then you just circle it around and around and around and around and around. And what you'll find is over time, the water will disappear. I started with too much. But if you just more, and poof, it's gone. So it's soaked into the top, and that's actually supposed to do that for fabric tops. So it's really important to make sure you get the fabric top one. This is the vinyl one, and I will kind of split away and show you another one where I show you a vinyl top. So shooting this one on my iPhone, you pour a small amount of water on the top, take your fingers and swirl it around and around and around, and what you'll see is on vinyl tops, the water doesn't go into the top. So you'll know you have a vinyl top if it kind of pools on the top. So shooting this with my iPhone, you'll notice a nice little toonie size or a small size amount, and you'll go around and around and around, and what you'll notice is that it won't go into the top. And if you have that, it's a vinyl top.